Bear with me, everyone. Damn, it kind of sucks because I used to have a better mix to come into, but I lost it. Anyways.
Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. But no, I ain't balling yet. Folks wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. I ain't gotta say a word, I know so. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella love, even when it's going down, bro.
Anyways. give it a few more minutes. Then we'll get it rolling. Thank you all for tuning in. Today has been a pretty choppy day in the market. Started off real good today. 2 good road trades back to back, and then all of a sudden it went chop, 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 chop. So it's been a little difficult to be a participant today. Expecting volatility soon though, with the compression that's been happening over the last few days. So sit back, grab your pens and papers, and we'll begin in about a minute. Alright. Welcome everybody to your boy Satoshi motherfucking Heavy in here with another dose of crypto. No forex, no stocks, crypto is where the money's at. But it looks like a lot of money has left, or the last time we've been talking. So what is going on? And with that, we'll begin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause this beautiful music in the background. I need to find my old playlist. I don't know where it went. Keep that low, slow and low. I'm also gonna move you over here, get you all situated. Thank you all for tuning in again. A little late today, but it's alright. My YouTube took me forever to fix it. Now it seems like I fixed it, but who knows if the fix is gonna be sustained or not. Alright, we'll start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin. So my primary thesis is that we're in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is 5. But I gotta be, when I look at the chart on a lower time frame, especially like other like alts and stuff, it looks like alts want to like make another low. Structurally, things look like making one another low and stuff like that. So at first I was really running with that, but as time progressed today, I tried to look at other accounts that could possibly say this is a low. Because initially I had us. I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just coming down like this, 5. But the way this is acting in here doesn't make sense really anymore for that. And so I was looking at another possible count, and this is the only one I could see making it so low. And the reason why I say this because this, at first, I really thought this was going to be a really simple ABC, flat, sell point, goes lower, right? Had all their criteria, hot, topped out RSI, hidden divergences everywhere, but we failed to break any pivots, right? We got 0, we got 1, we got 2. This is your X pivot. This pivot held very well, very well. Didn't even come close to budging. So that bearish divergence you saw it failed. It did not fully. This bearish divergence we saw with this hidden and topped out divergences here, it failed. If this was truly going to be true divergence, it would have broke this entire X pivot in less time and complexity, but it did not do that. And now we're making more time, more complexity, right? At first I was like, okay, that's fine. We can do this little wavy thing right here, little bear flag, but now we just start chopping up, moving up and down, keep grinding up, and it's not making sense to really break down like this anymore. So I was looking at another idea. What if, we have made that bottom? What if that my larger idea is playing out at this current moment? What if we are done correcting and we are actually moving up? What if, right? And so if in the next 24 hours, I don't really have an exact trade for us right now. Okay, this is like this, to me, it looks like price really wants to break that high, right? But I can't guarantee that. And to me, the price, like if we were going to make this trade, it place a buyout down here, but I didn't see it coming. So we're too late on this party, right? Too late on this bus. There's no real trade for this. But what I'm going to be looking at moving forward and throughout the weekend is this form. Little lean diagonal. right? Right into this order block right here. And at this point, it'll make more sense to short, right? Again. And after this short, boom, 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 looking to rebuy down here. I think we have new levels today, right? Yeah. New levels, daily open, daily high, and daily low. Right there. Mark out your order blocks. Let's mark it out. Let's go one higher now. Let's go to 5 hour. Take off our levels. And what do you mean? What's the Mimble Wimble? What the hell do you mean by that? Boy. Look, this 1 hour order block also matched up with this 5 hour order block. Right there. So this is a pretty strong area of resistance right here. I would expect us to reject it first time, but if we regain it, then we know we're belonging pullback. So if we smash through it, we're longing to pull back on the base of that, right? But I don't think that's going to happen. I think this is going to go and then rally up. Okay? But I really want to get on this short, and I'll tell you why. Reason number one, 5 waves makes sense into the order. And reason number 2, into the order blocks. Reason number 3, and the biggest reason of all, this could be a bigger trade than we were anticipating. What? Because if I'm wrong on this idea here, right here, right? So let's say I'm wrong on this wave 4 idea here, right? Because if we're basing on rules, technically we should assume we're extending further, because we exceeded the 1.618 extension, and whenever you exceed or hit a 1.618 extension, you expect, based on Elliott wave rules, that you are in an impulsive phase. Therefore, if this is going to be true, that means that this formation we're forming here is going to be a wave 4, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is why I have this block, this yellow box drawn here. If we fail to regain this area, this order block here, I'm gonna be really on this idea that this is a wave 4, and we're gonna go to 20,000, 20,000s, not 20,000, but like 25 to $28,000, right? Because based on Elliott wave rules, we exceeded the max extension. But I've seen in crypto time and time again where that doesn't really have so much of a meaning anymore. So in terms of crypto, you're more worried about structure, and structure right now, it's in limbo. Higher time frame structure says we can move up based on this wave structure right here, 3, 4, 5, right? But lower time frame structure suggests that, well, we don't know yet because we exceeded some things, and we need more time to develop, right? So that is yeah, so that is why I'm really thinking this short is going to be really, really beneficial for us, because if the larger idea is wrong and we're not making a new all-time high this year again, then that means that this will most likely turn into this, up, down, and then to a flat, and then to lower destinations. And the only way we're going to long this, we're not going to long a dip. We're not going to long a dip. The only way we're going to long this move here is when OG Chevy flips bullish on the 1 hour with RSI. They have to agree. If they don't do that, then it's gonna roll over. It's gonna keep going down. Okay? But Bitcoin really looks like it's gonna do this, right? This little 5 waves moves up here. I took a long on XRP, but XRP ain't really doing shit. Man, I think XRP is just gonna make a stupid ass like fucking triangle here. But anyways, yeah. So that's the idea on Bitcoin. Basically the same idea on ETH too. So that's the trade too. That's the trade we're looking for. You know, we're waiting for this area for rejection for reasons to go short in this area. Bitcoin, this looks like it's made nothing but three-way patterns. So look for a three-way pattern to finish this off. Look for a three followed by a 5. So what I mean by that, so 3, right? 3. This is probably gonna be 3, and it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At that 5th and a final way, we know we could probably short it because this looks like an ABC down here, right? Which lines up with this idea here, right? But if you need some confirmation with that, if you're my group, you already know what to turn to. OD Chevy, great at confirming these mid time frame trades, stuff like that. 15 minutes, 13 minutes time frame, do killer work. You have to anticipate it though. All right, ETH. All I know is if we get into that area, that's a really good. It actually is. So this is my original idea. I just threw up a projected path. Funny thing was, before this gigantic collapse, when I was looking at this, like when it was right here, I was just thinking to myself, I was like, man, this looks like a weird Head and Shoulders right here, like this here to this, like they have the same like kind of pattern here. I was like, man, they look the same, like. And what do you know? It fills up that entire fucking thing. That's too funny. Anyways, let's drop some order blocks. Starting with a 5 hour. We know our strong order blocks there. We know our bullish order blocks here. If we start trading below that on the 5 hours, probably gonna go lower. Trade above this on the 5 hours, probably gonna go higher. Acceptance above it's probably gonna go higher. Any daily levels? It's kind of an order block, not really. This is a daily order block though. I like how ETH closed. That order block there was the daily order block. Look how ETH closed above it. Suggests that we're going to be in this sort of range for a little bit. Again, larger idea is in limbo again. It could easily do this. I don't think it'll go this low. If anything, because if Bitcoin's going to do what I'm thinking to do, and ETH is one leg behind, what seems to have been the case, where Bitcoin makes an all-time high, corrects, and then is in corrective phases, and then all of a sudden their alts follow. Well, if that's going to be the case again, well, then it'll probably be, when Bitcoin breaks all-time high, this will break higher. When Bitcoin rejects its new all-time high and goes lower, this will probably go lower like this, form that flat, right? And then it'll finally make the all-time high, and that'll be a market top cycle, the cycle of market top throughout the entire industry. I know usually we're supposed to talk about lower time frame stuff, but I already told you the trade I'm looking for on Bitcoin. And ETH. With ETH breaking this high here, I wanted to say triangle, but ETH broke that high, so it's more like, again, a weird diagonal that's going to want to form. I'm assuming. It's the weirdest of weird diagonals. I would want that high to break. Look at those highs right there. Oh, shit. Right? Watch for price to come up here. Try to find acceptance like this, and then go whoop, and that's when you know it gets short, and it's probably gonna go there. Right? I know it's been a while, bro. Everybody, welcome Hawkeye. my old protege, who is now a well-stellar, superb trader, who's on par, if not better than me. He is a killer in the charts, straight slayer of the numbers, straight Bitcoin stackers, whatever you want to call him. Pit master, all that good stuff. Anyway, go give him a follow on Twitter. I forgot his Twitter name. It was like Press V. It might be the same as his. I can't remember his actually. I can't remember. Fuck. All right, ICX. No, XRP. Not ICX. See, this is my original idea on XRP. Right? We even got 5 waves here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? And so, like, I'm still kind of with this with XRP. We'll see, though. So, if XRP fails to make a new high while Bitcoin makes a new high, so, like, say, if that high on Bitcoin is made, right? Well, I'm really thinking XRP is going to go really low like this. Right? But this has been absolutely abysmal. I had 2 good trades today. This long, really early in the morning here, from here to here. And I took the short down to there to there. And then I took 2 trades, been here, have been chopped up. And have now been just been chilling in a little long here, but right now it's basically at break even. But the reason why I was in a little long is I was really anticipating this was going to be wrong, because I thought it was going to do what Bitcoin was going to do and take the top off, but it just didn't do anything. So I should probably have this primary thesis to sustain until I have no reason to invalidate. It's just very hard to understand what's going on in here. It just looks like this move from here to here is 5 waves, and yeah, let's throw up an invalidation point based on price. It's going to be the 786 of this move. It's right here. So if price could gain this level and maintain it on the hourly, not the hourly, the 10 minute to 15 minute, then I'm going to be bullish and this will be invalid. Okay? So if this goes like this, then it's going to go up and take the top off. But if we continue to do this weird choppy shit, I'm just thinking this is a weird complex combo WXY shit, and it's gonna go lower. All right. Primary thesis on XRP is gonna go lower. I think when OG Chevy flips back bearish, should be a good short signal for me. So I'm gonna really trust that. Oh wow, what a nice rejection. This is probably going to be a weird diagonal watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check that. I think ICX, last one. Well, we did make that low move, but it just went a lot lower than I expected. Like, man, do I really believe this is going to still happen? I got to, right? I think this entire thing was a corrective phase here. If ICX drops below $1.16, I'll be bearish on it. But I think if ICX could regain $1.54, I'm definitely bullish on ICX hitting it, moving higher. Okay. Very tough though, with all the FUD and stuff out there, makes you want to really be bearish and shit like that. But you gotta stick to the charts when they're telling you this just looks like a flat that formed. And I just gotta really trust my guts. And we'll see. So far, it's a pretty good buyback. We went and deviated from range. Now we're getting back into range. If we could accept a higher range now, then I'm gonna be really bullish on this idea and sustain my bullish thesis on this. But for now, Yeah, this is my idea on ICS and stuff like that. Another superb buy entry if you're able to get into in on that. All right, but lower time frames looks like things are closer to a top than not and are about to roll over. I'm really looking and expecting Bitcoin to make that top out, and then looking for a short. XRP looks like a short as well. And XRP has been absolutely abysmal. Yes, I can. Usually I do, but sometimes in the mornings, if I wake up late, then I can't, and I fucking obviously just can't do it. But most of the time I'm able to. So yes, I'll post all these charts in Discord. All right. I guess we could look at like Litecoin real quick, but. Can't remember what the chart was. Yeah, it all like everything looks like it could be an impossible floor if we can maintain these levels. Same thing with the Litecoin, man. Looks like it could be a possible floor if we can maintain these levels, but we cannot. These levels must be maintained, you know. This does not look very, to me, I don't like the way this looks like, just looking at it. Like, this looks like a pretty good triangle here, but again, since the rest of the coin aren't doing that, it's just like, is it really a triangle? I don't really think so. There's no trade on the Litecoin. On the higher time frame, I really want to believe that we're going higher, but on the lower time frame, we gotta respect this lower time frame kind of almost bearish patterns forming here. If we break this low here, I'm definitely gonna be bearish on it. If we break this low here, I might consider opening up a short down to this level, and we'll see what happens at that point. So far, the buyback's pretty good, decent, not bad, not horrible. When you look at it on a higher time frame, it doesn't look too bad. Lower time frame stuff always makes it a little spooky and stuff like that, but that's how it is. When you zoom in, that's why they always say, zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out, right? That's what they always say. But yeah, anyways, thank you all for tuning in. Essentially wraps it up, and I've been going for about 30 minutes, right on schedule. So, thank you all for tuning in. If you have any last minute questions or concerns, this is your time to ask them. If not, I'm gonna get out of here, right? We're about to go work out, hit some iron, pump it real good, and all that good stuff, right? Oh shit. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Winners. I'm gonna do this random winners for 3 months of Elevate plus $100 to, I can't remember the entire thing, but I have everybody's name in here. If you guys completed the steps necessary, I added you more than once. So if you added, like, followed me, followed my crew, then just an added entry. If you deposited into Bybit, that's an added entry. If you retweet, that's an retweet and favorite, that's an added entry. So you get a total of 3 possible entries for this little prize. Something crazy or anything like that. But alright, let's do this real quick. So, first, random. Pick a random item. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hold on. Where'd he go? No. Okay, the first winner is this guy. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my Twitter. So the first winner gets $200 plus Penthost quarterly. So you get to choose whatever coin you want, Ethereum or Bitcoin or XRP. That's it. Second person is 150 plus quarterly. Third person is 150 plus quarterly, I think. Monthly. Okay, sorry. So second and third get monthly plus 150. First place gets 200 plus quarterly. All right. So first place winner is Wasif MS. I feel like he might be in my group though. That sounds really familiar. Hashtag. Over there. Trying to type the copy. Alright, let's do this again. Pick a random. Matt, yeah. Congratulations, buddy. Second place. My pleasure. Third winner. The Knife Catcher. That's a good name. I like that one. Oh yeah, I forgot. The winners. You guys have to pick what you guys want for me to send you guys. I have Bybit here. I have to send you guys. So, you got t-shirts. Let's see what the t-shirt says. See if I can open up a... I'll post pictures. Just send me. I'll post pictures and stuff. And you guys can decide. I'll send it to you. International shipping. I'll probably cover it still. But essentially, the shirt is pretty basic. It says Bybit on it. It's an orange colored block that says Bybit in it. I like 4 of those, and I have a t-shirt. I mean, I have a sweater that says Bybit. That's way cooler, honestly. But it's XXL, so I don't know if anyone can fit that. Oh wait, I forgot. It's in Chinese sizing, so XXL is like a medium to large in US. So just be very mindful of that. If you're a large person, it might not be for you. Like if you're 6 foot, then it's not. It probably won't be for you. Yeah, and I got mugs. So I got these really cool mugs. I'll send you all pictures and stuff. The mug's probably my favorite thing. It says "Trading the World Bit by Bit," and it's a black little mug, and it says that in like gold writing, and it's really fancy, really cool looking. I don't have the gloves to send. Each of the winners get one item, either a mug, a sweater, or a t-shirt. Alright, so just let me know. Alright, thank you all for tuning in, and I appreciate y'all for supporting me and my team to the moon, right? Don't again, if this drop fucked you up, caught you off guard, just use it to prepare yourself, be mindful of what can happen. Don't be so overly exposed. Always have a fail-safe exit plan. I have developed my strategy to exit the market when things go wrong, and it's using Chevy. If Chevy is completely bearish on a higher time frame, and my group knows what time frame I'm referring to, I have to exit my spot positions. Alright? So just find something that may help you with that. Alright? Till next time, which will be on Thursday. Oh wait, Sunday. Alright, catch you then. It's been your boy, Satoshi motherfucking heavy. Winners, make sure to claim your prizes. If not, I'm gonna find new winners, alright? You got 24 hours. Actually, you got till the next stream. Alright? Claim your prizes and tell me what you want via a t-shirt, a mug, or a sweater. Alright, and remember, it's in a medium to a large US because it's an XXL Asian size, and Asians are many people. And I've worn the jacket and it fits me, and I'm a medium to large. Alright? Men, US men. Alright? So, till next time, I'll catch ya. It's been a pleasure. Peace the fuck out.